Okay, I'm home. I've come back. They were going to charge me too much to watch the football. Okay, what happened? Well, I jumped in the car, went down to Commonwealth Bank Stadium to go to the game. I run the gauntlet each week because I sort of just turn up to play. But this time I got caught out. I went there and the cheapest ticket they would give me was right in the southern corner, way up high for $77, and I just thought that was too much to pay and I had time to drive home, so I've driven home. So I get to watch the Parramatta Penrith game at home, and it's probably a good thing actually because every time I don't go to a game, Parramatta win. So let's see how the game goes. Okay, bye for now. Got my stress ball for the game. And I just sit here bouncing it away. Hopefully they score some tries.